Do you want to speak English confidently but don't know where to start? Don't worry. This video will help you step by step.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
I am learning English.
That's great.
Yes, I want to improve.
Keep practicing.
I will try.
What is your name?
My name is Rahul.
Where do you live?
I live in India.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you want?
I want some help.
How can I help you?
I want to learn English.
Practice every day.
Okay, I will.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Speak slowly.
Okay,
Don't be afraid.
I will try.
Where are you going?
I'm going to market.
What will you buy?
I will buy some fruits.
That's good.
Yes.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Let's talk in English.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you are feeling good.
I am doing well today. Thank you for asking me.
That is nice to hear. What are you doing right now?
Right now I'm trying to learn English step by step.
That is a very good habit. Learning every day will help you a lot.
Yes, I also believe that practice is very important for improvement.
Why do you want to learn English in your daily life?
I want to learn English because I want to speak confidently with others.
That is a great reason. Confidence will grow with daily practice.
Yes, I try to practice speaking English every single day.
Even if you make mistakes, you should not feel shy or nervous.
Yes, I understand that mistakes are part of learning.
Can you tell me about your daily routine in simple English?
I wake up early in the morning and then I start my day with fresh energy.
That sounds good. Do you also spend some time on studying English?
Yes, I study English in the evening for at least 1 hour every day.
That is a very good habit. Consistency is the key to success.
Yes, I am trying to stay consistent with my learning.
Do you feel nervous when you speak English in front of others?
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous because I am not very confident.
It is completely normal, but you should keep trying without fear.
Yes, I will try to speak more without thinking too much.
That is the right way. Speaking regularly will improve your fluency.
Thank you for motivating me. I feel more confident now.
Imagine you are in a market. How will you talk in English there?
I will try to speak simple English and ask for the things I need.
That is good. You can start with small and easy sentences.
Yes, I will slowly improve and learn new sentences every day.
That is the best way to learn English in real life situations.
Thank you. I will follow this method from today.
If you really want to learn English, you must practice every day without skipping.
Yes, I will make a daily routine and follow it seriously.
Do not wait for the perfect time. Just start speaking from today.
Yes, I understand that starting is more important than waiting. Yes, I understand that starting is more important than waiting.
Always remember that small steps will lead you to big success.
Thank you. I will keep this in my mind always.
Do you have any friend with whom you can practice English daily?
Yes, I have one friend, and we try to speak in English sometimes.
That is great. You both can help each other in learning faster.
Yes, we correct each other and learn the words together.
That will definitely improve your speaking skills very quickly.
I hope so. I will continue practicing with my friend.
Can you tell me what you learned in English today?
Today I learned some new sentences and practiced speaking slowly.
That is good. Did you also try to use them in conversation?
Yes, I tried to use those sentences while talking to myself.
That is a very effective way to improve your speaking skills.
Yes, I feel more comfortable when practice like this.
Do you watch English videos to improve your listening and speaking?
Yes, I watch English learning videos every day to understand better.
That is very helpful. Listening will improve your pronunciation.
Yes, I also try to repeat what I hear in those videos.
That is a smart method. Repeating will build your confidence.
Yes, I am slowly becoming more confident now.
If you practice English every day with patience, you will definitely improve.
Yes, I will keep practicing and never give up on learning.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and believe in yourself always.
Thank you so much for guiding me in my learning journey.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning English every day.